Interest. Let's have a look at this question. We understand when you save money in the bank, you will get interest, right? Simple interest, although it's not very practical, because most of the banks intend to not use it. People understand um, there are better ways to save money, right? So hence, simple interest is only for exercise purpose, so that you understand what's going on. You do have interest, but later on we're gonna have a look in slightly different in the way to save money, right? That's called compound, but that's next story. So let's have a look at this question. So we have £300 is invested at 5% per year or per annum. That just means per year. So that's what PA means. Simple interest for 10 years. Basically, what you have, let me write down over here. So you have altogether, look, that cash over here is £300. So which means 5% you get for every year you save in the bank. That's talking about the interest, right? So this is normally what we call principal. Right, I think the spelling's right. Okay, that's principal. Um, so that's basically the money you put in the bank, and every year you have 5%. So going back to your pocket, basically, 5% of what? 5% of whatever the money you put in at the start, that the principal. So that's whatever this is, you're gonna figure out. You can use a calculator, but if you're quick, you can already figure out the answer is $15. Sorry, for this case is pound. Right, so every year you get extra £15. Now the story is you save that for 10 years. You have a long goal, so you want to save longer. So let's have a look at how much you get. So for 1 year you have $15. Suddenly you save that for 10 years. Now that stuff is not supposed to be there, but anyway, let me actually move this around. So which means you have altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 years. So every year you save, you have extra £15. £15, £15, £15, £15, £15, £15, £15. All right, we're lucky actually. It's only 10 years. Otherwise, we're gonna keep counting. So how many 15 you have altogether? So yeah, you have 10 times 15. So for every year you have £15. For 10 years you will have extra 10. Sorry, you have 10 times extra $15 there, right? So what you used to have is $300. Because it's extra, you have to add on it, right? Altogether, that's how much you got after the 10 years. Where's our question disappeared? So that's equals to 300 plus 150, and that's altogether $450 after 10 years saving the bank. That will be all yours. So that's how you solve this question. Oh,